Welcome to the tutorial configuration of the switching function DTO, short for Distance to Object, of the Dx1000 long-range distance sensor. An example of the switching function DTO is to prevent collision of rail-mounted gantry cranes, RMG. When the measured distance falls short of the selected switching point, the switching output changes its state from inactive to active. The function DTO can be adjusted conveniently using the touch display of the Dx1000 as well as through the PC. The graphical touch display makes it easier to configure the switching parameters quick and simple. Press the menu button for 2 seconds to enter the main menu. Select the menu group I/O interface by pressing the arrow buttons and confirm the selection by pressing the OK button. This menu level allows you to adjust the parameters of the signal output. There is one screen page per signal output. In our example, we will set the switching function of the signal input and output in1Q1 to DTO. The highlighted icon in the display indicates that the signal output in1Q1 is configured as digital output Q1. Confirm by pressing the OK button. Select distance and confirm with OK. Select distance to object and confirm with OK. The next screen allows you to adjust the switching point, the hysteresis and the active state of Q1. Select switching point and press OK. Now you see the current adjusted switching point. To configure the switching point, press the pen button and enter the switching point using the numeric keypad. In this case, we will set it to 15 meters. Press OK to return to the menu level above. Press OK to activate the new setting. It will be permanently saved upon returning to the main display level. Now we demonstrate the configure switching function DTO. The switching state is active if the measured distance is below 15 meters. The hysteresis is configured with 0.5 meters, which means that the inactive state is toggled when the object exceeds a distance of 15.5 meters. In this tutorial, you learn how to configure the switching function distance to object of the Dx1000. This allows you to perfectly adjust the sensor to your individual application. Dx1000, great performance at great distance.